Hi guys, how are you? This is Howie from Soul Freaks. So it's been 6 long months since our last video. So for today, we're gonna talk about some footwear or sneakers or whatever you're gonna call it that I usually wear with our return to office. So the new employer that I have right now requires us to be in office attire. So I have a couple of options that I'm going to show you. So these are the sneakers and footwears that I'm wearing during my return to office. Okay, for the past almost 1.5 months right now is I went back to office, so I have to wear an office attire. So the first footwear that I picked up was this one. This is the Hush Puppy Active Knit. So it's not that expensive. Actually, it's just around 5,000 pesos. So this is very light. Tapos yung cushion niya is what the Hush Puppies called bounce. So medyo kung ikukumpara niyo siya sa mga regular sneakers like Boost or Air, this one is much lighter. I think I can compare this to one of the Under Armour's cushion, which is yung Flow. This one is the Under Armour Flow of Stephen Curry. So this is the Curry 2 Flow Throw. So if you're going to compare them, para lang siyang isang buong cushion. There's no rubber outsole, it's just the entire cushioning system, and at the same time, ito na rin siya mismo. Wala siyang rubber outsole like this one. So diretso cushion and then yung traction. So what I like about this shoe is that sobrang gaang niya. And then, yung ibabaw niya is knit, so hindi siya masakit sa paa o hindi rin siya mainit. I walk 1.5 kilometers to office, so hindi siya masakit sa paa, hindi siya hassle maglakad. I didn't felt any discomfort with this shoe. However, there's one thing that nakikita ko ng nagiging problem nito since I walk daily. It's the durability of its cushion or its outsole. So this is brand new. I think wala pa tong 2 buwan, but look at the heel drags now. Ayan, oh, nagsisimula na siyang magkaroon ng heel drags. So, ang problema dito sa sneaker na to, even though it's very comfortable, light, doesn't have any discomfort, yung durability medyo nag-aalangan ako sa kanyang tumagal. So, I did, ever since napansin kong nagsisimula na yung heel drag, hindi ko siya masyadong inang-araw-araw. So, I think in a week, I just wore this once or twice. Because I have a couple of other sneakers or shoes that I can wear with my office attire. So this is the Hush Puppy Active Knit. There's another one that is the Active Knit, but it's not the laced up version. So it's just the slip-on. So you can check this out. I think there's availability in Hush Puppy's boutiques and also inside department stores. So you can check them out. This is the Hush Puppy Active Knit. And this one is one of my oldest shoe, which I bought back in 2019. So this one is my favorite shoe right now for office. So this is the Timberland Fly Roam. So what I like about this shoe, it's actually called a sneaker boot. So it's leather on top, and then its cushioning is like a sneaker. So it's more like a Boost, Nike Air, and what they call their cushioning system is AeroCore. So this is the Timberland Fly Roam. So one advantage with this shoe is that it's very durable. Um, as you can see, araw-araw ko siyang sinusuot, hindi pa siya nagkaka-heel drag. Siguro dahil ganun talaga si Timberland. It's built for toughness or durability, and hindi siya masakit sa paa. Lalo ni leather sa ibabaw, hindi siya masyadong mainit. And yung cushioning, yung AeroCore, sobrang comfortable. When I walk along the street, hindi pantay-pantay yung pavements, hindi siya masakit sa paa. And actually, I think the outsole of Timberland is really built for trekking, or kung outdoors man ka, talagang parang ganun yung ginamit nilang outsole nitong sapatos na ito. So this is the Timberland Fly Roam. I'm not sure if this is still available in Timberland boutiques, because when I dropped by a month ago, wala na to. So I think this is already phased out na. But you can still check in some Timberland online sites if there's availability. But this one is a very, very good sneaker boot. Bagay siya sa lahat ng kulay ng office attire ko. As I'm discussing this, I'm gonna post some of the pictures when I wore this one. So this is the Timberland Fly Roam. And one sneakers that I really like to wear is this one. This is the Jordan 1 OG Shadow 2.0. So actually napaka-basic ng kulay niya, gray and black. So bagay talaga siya sa mga office attire. And hindi siya ganun kasakit sa paa, but the problem is mainit siya sa paa because of the panels and everything. And there's no ventilation with this sneaker, as we all know what Jordan 1 is. So, but yeah, this is one of my favorite go-to sneakers for office. So this is the Jordan 1 OG Shadow 2.0. And this one also is one of my favorite na suotin. However, there are a couple of issues with this sneaker when I wear this. But with the good thing muna, maganda siyang tingnan because of its black upper, and it looks like a leather sneaker or a sneaker boot. So hindi siya off tingnan kapag naka-office attire ka. Plus, it's shiny with its patent leather, so it's medyo flashing dating ng sneaker. And then the leather is good with this version. So this is the Jordan 11 Low 7210. So I got this, I think, around 2021. So this is one of my oldest Jordan 11. Now, with the bad thing about this sneaker is it will take time bago mag-adapt yung paa mo sa kanya while you're walking. And it's gonna be a little stiff at first, but as you walk, nung na-adapt na niya yung paa mo, doon medyo nararamdaman mo na yung air sa loob, yung cushioning niya. So as you walk, yung comfort nararamdaman mo na. At first, it's gonna be a little painful, especially on the pinky side and also on the arc of your feet. Pero once it's adapting to your walking and your foot, it's gonna be a little comfortable na. So this is the Jordan 11 Low 7210. So, these four are my top choices. Kumbaga, kapag wala na akong maisip na susutin na sapatos, ito talaga yung mga go-to na sapatos ko. As you'll notice, I really don't wear leather footwear because it's not my style actually. So that's why I chose these types of office attire sneakers as my taste and lifestyle. And there's a couple of sneakers also that I wear depende sa suot ko. But this one, we have a dress code there. So Monday white yung polo, Tuesday black yung polo. So I have a pants which is kinda beige color. So bumagay siya itong Starfish. This is the Jordan 1 OG Low Starfish. And there's another one that is my go-to sneakers, but I think once or twice ko palang nagagamit for the past almost 2 months or 1.5 months is this one. So this one is the Forum Low Bad Bunny. So this is the last Forum that Bad Bunny released with Adidas. So, one thing na gusto ko dito is maganda yung ano niya, yung cushioning system niya. But the problem is masyado siyang mainit kasi when I wore this sneakers, double tang kasi to. So meron siyang isa pang tang na nilalagay. So medyo mainit yung upper. And it's kind of heavy as compared to this one. Sobrang bigat nito. And it's much heavier also than the Jordan 1, which is the heaviest among the bunch. Yeah, this one is light. This one's heavy. But I like this because this is the last Forum that Bad Bunny released with Adidas. So I need to wear this also. It's clean. It's also, especially when I change the lace to its original lace, which is gray. So I might change up this one. So yeah, this is the Forum Low last Forum by Bad Bunny with Adidas. So yeah, these are the sneakers and footwears that I wear during my return to office. So I'll try to post as much as I can this time. So yeah, catch you on the next video. So this is Howie, Soul Freaks out, and keep moving forward.